What happens to your brain when you drink caffeine? Caffeine stimulates your neurons and increases alertness. Your focus sharpens almost instantly. Heart rate increases slightly. Energy levels rise as adrenaline flows. Muscle response becomes quicker. Blood flows faster to vital organs. Brain waves become more active. Mood lifts and you feel more alert. Stomach reacts by increasing acid for digestion. Liver metabolizes caffeine efficiently. Kidneys filter caffeine out of your system. Your nervous system fires faster, increasing alertness. Caffeine wakes up your body and brain, but moderation is key.